Good morning to one and all. My name is Suresh. Today we are discussing the new chapter. The chapter name is the sound. Already previous class we have discussed about the two chapters. The chapter name is the first chapter name is the force and second chapter name is the friction. These two chapters last 2 months we are explain and discuss about complete them. So today we are only discuss the new chapter. The chapter name is the sound. The chapter name is the sound. Mainly in this chapter we are discussing about what is the definition of the sound, how to the sound travel from one place to the another place. Okay now. So first of all, what is our chapter name? Sound. What is our chapter name? Throughout today we are constantly exposed to listening to different sounds in our surroundings. For example, throughout today we are constantly exposed to listening to different sounds in our surroundings. Okay, for example, people talking to another persons, and birds chirping, like do the make some sounds. Okay, next animals cries, and also some motor vehicles like car, buses, lorries and trains are produce the sound. Lorry, buses, cars, tractors, trains, these also make a lot of noise. Noise means sound production. And also next to music, mainly this music is came from the loudspeakers at the public places. Okay now, even loudspeakers also produce a lot of sound, and also TV also give the a good to listening of the music. Okay now, next, first of all, what is the definition of the sound? Sound is an unavoidable and integrated part of our lives. What is the definition of the sound? Okay, now what is the definition of sound? Is an unavoidable and integral part of our lives. Okay, now what is the definition of sound? Sound is an unavoidable and integral part of our lives. It is known as the sound. What is the definition of the sound? Sound is an unavoidable and integral part of our lives. Okay, now is known as the sound. SI unit of sound is decibel. SI unit of sound is the what is the decibel. SI unit of the sound is the decibel. Okay now, what is the definition of sound? Sound is an unavoidable and integral part of our lives is known as the sound. SI unit of sound is the decibel. Sound cannot be travel in the vacuum. Sound cannot be travel in vacuum. Cannot be travel in the vacuum. What is the meaning of the vacuum? Vacuum means empty places. Empty places. Sound can be travel in the only solids, liquid and gases. Sound can be travels in the only solid, liquid and gases. Okay na. So sound cannot be travel in the vacuum. Cannot be travel in the vacuum. The sound travel only. Sound can travel only in solids, liquids, and gases. Okay na? So first of all, throughout the day we are constantly exposed to listening to different sounds. For example, people talking, next birds chipping, and cries of the animals. So in these three objectives are, so mainly people talking to one person to another person, mainly produce the sound. Birds chirping produce the sound, and cries of the animals produce the sound. So sound is an unavoidable and integral part of our lives, is known as the sound. SI unit of sound, decibel. The sound cannot be traveled in the vacuum. Vacuum means empty places. Next, sound can be traveled in the only liquid, gases, and solids. And sound is sound is very important in our daily life. Sound is always surrounded by us, and sound plays an important role in our daily life. Sound plays an important daily life, and sound is useful to easily to communicate the one person to the another person. So what is the important of the sound? It is easily to communicate the one person to the another person, and sound also is omnipresent. Okay na? Sound is a omnipresent. Okay na? Sound is always surrounded by us, and sound plays an important role in our daily lives. And also sound is a omnipresent. What is the use of this sound? It is easily communicate to one person to the another person. It is briefly introduction of this sound. Okay na? Today we are discussing about the introduction of this sound. Okay na? So throughout today we are constantly exposed to listening to the different sounds in different places. For example, people talking to another persons produce the sound, and birds chirping produce the sound, and cries of animals making the sound. Okay na? And also sound mainly produced buses, cars, lorries, trains, and motorbikes also. And also music also came from the loudspeakers at the public places. Okay na? Loudspeaker came from the public places. And also TV also give the good music. And also what is the definition of the sound? Sound is an unavoidable and integral part of our life, is known as the sound. SI unit of sound is a decibel, and the sound cannot be travel in the vacuum. Here vacuum means what? Empty places. Next, the sound can be travel only liquid, solid, and gases. Sound is always surrounded by us, and sound plays an important role in our daily life. And what is the use of this sound? It is easily communicate to one person to the another person. Next, the sound produced. How do you produce the sound? When we the vibrating body produce the sound. What is the question? How do you sound produced? How do you sound produced? Answer: vibrating bodies produce the sound. Vibrations bodies produces the sound. Next, the sound, how do you travel from one place to the another place? The sound, next question, how do you the sound travel from one place to the another place? One place to another place. One place to the another place. Here only using the medium. By using the medium, only using medium to transferring to the transfer one place to the another place. Are you able to all sound in nature? Yes or no? No, we are only listening some sounds only listening in the nature. Third question, are you able to listening to all sounds? No, all sounds in nature, no, we are only some sounds only listening. Okay now, in this introduction part I am asking the 3 questions. How many questions? 3 questions. First question, how do you produce the sound? Vibration body produce the sound. How do you sound travel from one place to the another place? By using only medium. Are you able to listen to all sound in nature? No, we are only listening to some sounds only in the nature. Okay na. Next, we are discussing about the 2 definitions. My first definition is what is the definition of the vibration? The to and fro motion of the body. Its main position is known as the vibration. What is the definition of the vibration? The to and fro motion of the bodies. Its main position is known as the vibration. Okay now. Next, what is the definition of the medium? The substances to allow the passage. In sound, it is known as the medium. The substances to allow the passage in the sound in the body is known as the what is the definition of the medium? The substances to allow the passage in body is known as the medium. What is the definition of the medium? The substances to allow the all passage in body is known as the medium. Next, what is the definition of the vibration? The to and fro motion. The to and fro motion of the body. Its main position is known as the vibration. This is the introduction of the sound. Once again, I will recall the introduction of this sound. Okay na? Listen carefully. Throughout today, we are constantly exposed to the different sounds in our surroundings. Okay na? For example, people talking to another persons, cries of the animals, and bird chirping, and cars, buses, lorries, trains produce a lot of sound, and also sound is an important role in our daily life. First of all, what is the definition of the sound? Sound is an unavoidable and integrate part of our lives, and it is important plays an important role in the daily life. And what is the use of this sound? It is easily communicate to one person to the another person. SI unit of sound, decibel. The sound cannot be travel in the vacuum. The sound can only travel in the solids, liquid and gases. SI unit of sound, decibel. The unit of decibel, as per the one scientist name, the scientist name is Graham Bell. The scientist name is Graham Bell. Who exposed the sound SI unit of decibel is Graham Bell. Okay na? These are the today topic. Next, I am asked the 3 questions. How do you produce the sound? When we vibrating body produce the sound only. Next, how do you know sound travel from one place to another place? By only using the medium. Are you able to listening all sound in nature? No. We are only listening to some sounds only listening. Okay na? These are the today topic. Okay, understanding all numbers. Thank you.